Hello there, this is a sharing video sample. Hope it helps. Today I will share steps on how to submit LHDN offer letter or any employment letter or contracts for stamping at RM10 each. Smiley face. This is the link and their website. Let me log in, but if you did not log in, please register. I have written the steps as on my screen. To register, skip to end, with steps provided. Without further ado, let's log in. Let us see on how to upload employment contracts for stamping now. First, log Misok. Insert IC and passwords. Click Daftar Misok. Secondly, select an agent and your company name. Thirdly, at Borang Permahonan, click Penyer Ta Ram. Follow closely now. 3I, 3B, 3C, 3D, Sertor Ras Ni, Yet. From A Permahonan, Penyer Ta Ram, then Penyer Ta Ram Aham means journal stamping. Then B, Pujabatan, Sirtam, Nagori, for example, depends of your location, Pulau Penang. For category C, insert date, the Tari Surat Kara de Tandatangan. Insert date signed. If none, put date of letter. We then left D blank. Done. Click Sertor Ras Nia. Please insert the date of the candidate or employee signed the offer letter. If no, sad face. We use the date of the letter. For example, offer letter, scroll down where employee signed with the date. This, 5th October 2025. If no, we use this date of letter up here. Okay, question mark. Assume they have date of acceptance 5th October. Done. Click Sertor Rasnia. Step number 4. Maklumat. Fill employment contract here at Naima Surat Chera. Simpan maklumat. Bahati. Bahati. One pihak pertama select company. Syrakat berdaftar dengan S. For 2 pihak kedua, we select individual. Pihak kedua, individual. Just fill in all fields here, or my sample, I use random generated details. Save, simpent. For 2, pick kedua. We select individual. We can edit and save again. Or delete. Here is delete. Padam penjol. Bahagam B. Number 6. Bahage B. Click simpan bahagi B. 7. Lame parent. Click choose file. Upload employment contract letters or transfer letters or both. 8. Purakul leave blank. Scroll down, tick saya seperti nama dan nombor blah 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 duty sartung hantar. Yeah, sertuju.